Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use LinkedIn Quick Apply or Easy Apply, so let's get right into it. On LinkedIn, you can search for several businesses and several job openings, which will then allow you to apply for those job openings if you meet the minimum requirements, and you might find yourself a new job. And one of the ways you can do this is by actually using LinkedIn Quick Apply, or rather LinkedIn Easy Apply. Easy Apply is different from the standard applying procedure because the standard applying procedure takes you to the company's site where you have to manually enter all your information. However, if you've entered all your information on LinkedIn, then you can use Easy Apply on certain job postings, which will then allow you to apply a bit easier than you would through the normal applying procedure. Now, let me show you an example. This is a fresh blank account. I have no experience, nothing. However, I will show you how to find and how to use LinkedIn Easy Apply. And you do that by actually searching for a job. Let's say just search for anything. Once you search for that, or rather let's say software engineer or just software, click on jobs here in the filter tab, and let's say I want to be a software engineer, and now a list of all job postings have been listed. Now, to actually use Easy Apply, as you can see here for Java developer, I cannot use the Easy Apply. However, you need to search for postings that have Easy Apply in them. Just click on one that does, click on Easy Apply, and then you have the option to enter all the info that is needed. Just follow the instructions and then just send your application, and that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.